Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program a RAM 1500 key fob. Start with the driver door open and all doors closed. Then insert the key into the ignition and cycle it to the on position 3 times without starting the engine to enter programming mode, and follow the fob button presses as prompted by the vehicle lights and locks to pair each transmitter. Place all fobs on a table and work with one at a time, using the ignition cycle to start programming, then press a button on the fob when the truck signals readiness. Watch for a lock or horn confirmation that shows the fob paired successfully, and repeat the press sequence for any extra transmitters. Finish by turning the ignition off and testing each fob at least 10 feet from the truck to confirm range and function. If a fob does not pair, first replace its battery and try the programming steps again, making sure doors are correctly opened or closed as required. Verify you followed the exact ignition cycle and timing, and try moving closer to the vehicle if range seems limited. For persistent issues, check for dealer-only restrictions, recall notices, or professional locksmith tools that may be needed to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.